saw you dropped a video a few days ago. So like, my question is, do you still want to get back with Watermelon? Because that video, okay, that video title, spelling it title, seizing it thumbnail. What says? It says like Watermelon like still wants you back. Is that true or what's happening? What's happening? You wanna know? You wanna know? You wanna know? People wanna know. I also wanna know. Kwenzakalani phakathi kwakho noMusipho? Because we saw some videos like Flex, I think you need to explain to us what's happening. Like that time you were in Durban. You said you were going for your birthday. And then now you just linked up noNosipho like Hayibo
So
like you wanna know. People wanna know.
Listen. So like
aka Copy SA, the insane, the killer of the hate. If you give me beef, I'll probably give you a steak. You can call me Mr. No. Hey, that all. Yeah, so guys, today I'm not alone. I'm here with
Exhibo fiti tsopoilo fixing tona na kitchen tona fagi poleni tsinetse kolo ntana besela ntana nyatsela ntana hlasela the best to ever do it but the chosen one is Khulu Palasil.
Yeah guys, so today we are shooting a Q&A guys. So make sure you hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Let's get this video to how many views and how many likes?
Let's give it like 8k views.
Okay,
like 900 likes.
Shout out to you guys. Make sure you do that. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right now guys. So let me get into the video. Hey Flex, hey. Okay. Fair. So yeah, we are back YouTube. So I'm starting with the hottest Q&A ever with Lil Flex RSA. So yeah, we need your intro dog. Like, let's get to know more about you.
I'm Flex, I'm a YouTuber, I'm a content creator, I'm a TikToker, I have a brain that
Yeah,
to speak louder. Make sure you get one for yourself.
loyalty.
What else do you wanna know?
Okay, like more about your not your social life, like your normal life. What do you do
On my free time?
Yeah, my spare time's up.
I'm trying by and like doesn't like go out with some friends.
I saw last week you were in Durban. How was Durban?
Hella crazy.
Hella crazy. Like you just decided to take a trip without a reason.
Like I was just going out for my birthday.
Oh, that's nice. Shout out to you, dog. It means you have money, Maswell.
No, I don't.
Cap.
On
a man. Okay, Tim calling Muzo get the question of call. Are you in a relationship?
No, I'm not in a relationship, and I'm okay.
What are you saying, my brother?
I'm saying my other brother is.
Do you hear yourself? Do you hear yourself, my brother?
I'm not in a relationship. I'm not.
Okay. So, this question is too much. So, like, I saw you dropped a video a few days ago. So, like, my question is, do you still want to get back with Watermelon? Because that video, title, spelling it title, seizing it thumbnail. What says? It says like Watermelon like still wants you back. Is that true or what's happening? You wanna know? You wanna know? You wanna know? People wanna know. I also wanna know.
No, it's not true.
It's not true. Kanjani? But to abantu abayibonile leya video what do you have to say on them? Because now surely they have hope. Besides hope, they think like maybe you will get back together or something like that.
No, I don't want to get back together with her.
Okay. What do
I
you
didn't
want?
say I won't.
What did he say, dog? He just said, okay, guys, we will
I
see the
don't want.
replay. Okay. You will see the replay, guys. What are you saying, my dog? What are you saying?
Ngithi angifuni hayi ukuthi ngeke.
Oh, okay. Ah, cool. Okay, guys. Let's jump to another question, man. Let's jump to another question. Okay. Okay, like why? My question now is why?
Nah, I respect her. I respect her.
Like, you just respect her.
Yeah.
You don't wanna be with her because you respect her.
Yeah.
Okay, that time you were dating, Shuti Bong Amklonipi that time.
You won't understand, my guy. This is a long story.
Yeah. Okay, guys, it's a long story. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you like this video. Okay, so kubo bonke abogela abakufuna empilweni yakho. Do you think bane chance or wena khona lo osambhekile omfunayo?
Akunamuntu engibhekile.
Yeah. So like you think no right to single, you are living your best life single.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me go back on the consent thing ne? So like as une motion, here's motion. So as an emotion guy, ngalabantwana bakutextayo, like do you respond or like labo khuluma nabo manje? Ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi like i-relationship yakho nabo injani? Like you treat them as friends. Bakutshelile like uyakutshela ugela ukuthi mina ngiyakufuna, ngicrush kuwe flex. You just mice. You don't entertain.
I don't even approach honeys.
Like honeys that approaches you, approaches you. What do you do with them? That's my question.
Friends zone.
You friends zone? I slay out okay, man. Mara mina guys mani ngifuna ngitext mina ngeke ngifriend zone mina. Okay, so let me jump on another question ne. Kwenzakalani phakathi kwakho noNosipho? Because we saw some videos like Flex, I think you need to explain to us what's happening. Like that time you were in Durban. You said you were going for your birthday. And then now you just linked up noNosipho like Haibo
So like, okay,
like
sure.
you wanna know. People wanna know.
Listen. So like every hand that I'm gonna link up with, shoot me and I'm busy now.
Okay, you know why I'm saying that? Because people thinks you have okay, it's no. Okay, guys, like
People think
I'm subscribe, dog. Subscribe. It's not subscribe, guys. Road to 5K subscribers. And subscribe in. It's long maybe in spunda kahle ne. So like what I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to say, abantu bacabanga ukuthi like you have unfinished business, no watermelon. That's why I'm asking that question ukuthi ngiyabona when uyibeka kahle ukuthi okay, shuthi amantombazana ozolink up nawo shuthi wenza something now. No. But abantu basacabanga ukuthi wena une unfinished business, no watermelon. What do you have to say based on that?
no comment.
No comment. It can't be no comment, dog. It can't be no comment. Okay, let me ask you this question. When do you think you still have unfinished business, no watermelon, no ganja? No. Okay. Do you still love her?
Yeah, I do, but then
What are you saying? Okay, what are you saying? What are you saying? Now I want you to explain it.
Obviously, exam what do you mean?
Okay.
It's not like it's not like masihlukana you have it you know what ngamzonda and everything now.
Yeah. Mara when question yami yazi uyayibalekele ubalekele question yami ungifaka kweminye imibuzo manje. I-question yami ithi like usamthanda na watermelon ezini usazibona unaye or usazibona unaye but you still have that thing for her.
What do you mean?
Like usasena ama feelings for her. Subscribe. Okay, let me ask you this question. Okay, bengifuna ukubuza njengoba bowusho kanjalo. Yabo, sengikhohlwe question. Mara okay, to ababukeli bakho, to your followers, what do you have to say on them? Yini ofisa ukuyisho kubo manje?
I love you guys.
Shout out.
Thanks for the support.
We love you. Please tell me now. I'm kidding, guys. Guys, make sure you get your selfie loyalty. Make sure you get your selfie loyalty. You can
Yes.
because you don't subscribe, guys. Mara, it's because you don't subscribe. So, batsheli loyalty bayithola kanjani jam.
Get my number on my TikTok bio and then text me on app. Yeah.
Guys, okay. Comment what you think ne ngale ndaba ka lengiyibuzile ne, because I still think there is an unfinished business, and njengoba kune unfinished business, it means konje uthe ufuna ukujola bese ngithi uzovaleleka ama channel yabo angeke usabathola abanye bostoko bafunayo, mara wena uthe awufuni umuntu. So okay, shout out to you guys. That was the end of the video, so make sure you okay, angisana question.
Okay.
Angisana
Thank you
question.
for watching the video, guys. I hope you guys
Shout out to you all, guys. Make sure you like the video, comment your thoughts, guys, and tell us what you think.
I know that niggas envy me. I'm the MVP. It should be in front row general. I'm in VIP. Used to have the rose in me, but I was VV overstayed. Bust down a nigga. Bust down a yeah. I'm busting down a wrist next, cause I've been chosen. Everything I do is to for real, it's never bogus. I just take that back. She was never about it, but these days I bend her over. Talking about it. You ain't even about this life, I swear you joking about it. Took the pain.